It's here, guys. The box. Extreme Turbo Systems. This is the intake. Get this opened up. All right, we got it open. Packing tape. ETS stickers and a lanyard. More packing tape. More packing peanuts. More packing peanuts. A lot of packing peanuts. All right. And we got some hardware. Intake couplers. The box. More intake hose. I think that's it. Could be wrong, but I think that's it. Boom, I got it all laid out. We got the air box. Jumbo giant air filter. Intake couplers. Intake, a bunch of stickers. Lanyard, thank you card, and giant velocity stack. So we got it all. We are ready to install this thing, and we will get it on ASAP.